Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Notion on PC step by step, even if you're a complete beginner and have never used Notion before. Whether you're using Windows or Mac OS, the process is almost the same. And by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to use Notion efficiently on your computer. First, open your browser and go to Notion's website, or download the Notion desktop app for PC. Using the desktop app is recommended because it's faster and works smoothly without distractions. Once you log in, you'll see your Notion workspace. This is your main dashboard where all your pages and content live. On the left side, you'll find the sidebar. Here you can see all your pages, shared pages, and quick access options. If your sidebar feels crowded, you can collapse it any time to focus on your work. Now, let's create your first page on PC. Click on New Page from the sidebar. Give your page a name, like Notes, Tasks, or Daily Planner. Everything you see in Notion is made of blocks. Text, headings, checklists, images, everything is a block. To add a block, simply type / on your keyboard. This opens the block menu where you can choose what you want to add. For example, type / and select heading to add a title, type / again, and choose to-do list to create checkboxes. This is perfect for task management. Now let's talk about using Notion with your keyboard on PC. Keyboard shortcuts make Notion much faster. You can press Control or Command + to see all shortcuts. Use Control or Command +D to duplicate blocks and save time. Next, let's create a simple task manager. On a new page, type / and select Table, Database. Rename the columns to Task, Status, and Due Date. Set the status column as Select and add options like To Do, In Progress, and Done. This gives you a clean task system you can use daily on your PC. Another powerful feature on PC is drag and drop. You can click and drag blocks to rearrange your content easily. You can also resize columns by dragging them left or right. Now let's talk about templates. On the left sidebar, click on Templates. Notion provides ready-made templates for beginners, students, freelancers, and professionals. You can apply any template and customize it for your workflow. Customization is optional but helpful. You can add icons and cover images to pages to visually organize your workspace. This makes navigation faster when you're working on PC with multiple pages open. Finally, keep your Notion setup simple. Don't try to use every feature at once. Start with notes and tasks, then slowly explore databases, calendars, and advanced tools. And that's how to use Notion on PC step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more full guides, and I'll see you in the next one.